Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a real account on Vantage Broker app, different types of account and how you can withdraw and deposit your funds easily. Let's get started. Let's start with how to create a real account on Vantage Broker app.
To create a real account, open the Account section on the Vantage Broker app. On the top right corner, tap on the Open Account option. Select the required settings as shown on the screen. Tick the necessary boxes and submit. That's it, your account will be set up within seconds. And you'll be able to view all your details instantly on your dashboard. Once the account will be successfully created, you'll get the login and password and can easily log into Mount 5.
Number 2 is types of trading account. First is STP account. In this account, zero commission is charged. Second is ECN account. Small commission is charged per trade. Third and the last is swap, meaning overnight holding charges when you keep a trade open.
Now, coming to the account types. First, we have the standard STP account. This one comes with zero commission. It's beginner friendly and honestly, super simple to use. Then there's the Cent standard account. It's quite similar to the standard one, but here, your trades are done in smaller units, basically in cents. So if you're someone who wants to start with a lower investment, this is a great option. Also, Vantage gives you a swap-free option, which means you won't be charged anything for holding your trades overnight.
Now let's discuss how you can deposit and withdraw your funds.
Once your account is created, head over to the deposit option on your dashboard. Select your account number. Enter the amount you want to deposit and click on Continue. Now, you'll see multiple payment options like local bank transfer, cryptocurrency, and other available methods. Just choose the one that works best for you and complete the process. And that's it. You're all set to go.
And that's it. Super simple and beginner friendly, right? Now that you know how to create a real account, choose the right account type, and how to deposit the funds easily, I'll see you next time. Bye.